So don't you just hate it when you go somewhere and someone is cooking and you smell like food? I went over there with my mom and she was cooking and I smelled like food and I don't like it. Let's get this video done. What's up, my YT homies? This is Alethea and I am back with another video. And in this video, I am going to give you my opinion on the Personal Effects LoxxCleanse. Hold on. Thumbnail. A couple of months ago, I do believe it was a couple of months ago, I gave you my honest opinion on the LoxxCleanse spray. Now I'm going to talk about the LoxxCleanse. Now when I talked about the Personal Effects LoxxCleanse spray, I told you all that they had sent me a sample of the shampoo and that I did not like the consistency of the shampoo. It wasn't that I didn't like the shampoo, I just felt like the shampoo was watery and thin and I didn't like it. Well, one of the owners or the owner, I'm not sure, I think, as I've said, I think it's a mother and daughter team, something like that. I know it's a family owned business, but she reached out to me and offered to send me some of the LoxxCleanse. I want to say LoxxCleanse on everything because of me being so familiar with the LoxxCleanse spray, but this is the Personal Effects LoxxCleanse. Like I said, it's the shampoo. I have used the shampoo twice and I think I've used it enough. Well, technically 3 times because of the old consistency. I think I've used this shampoo enough to go ahead and give you my unbiased opinion. So the first time I shampooed my hair after getting the LoxxCleanse, I poured this directly onto my scalp and then I massaged it into my scalp and, well, through my braids, of course, because I braid and band, and I massaged it and I shampooed it and all that good jazz. Well, today I actually put it in this spray bottle and you'll see a video that comes before this one where I show you me putting it in there. Anyway, so the first shampoo, I did 2 shampoos. So what I'm doing now is I'm shampooing my hair twice because I feel like I need to do it at least twice due to the fact that I'm not shampooing my hair on a weekly basis, just to make sure that my hair is clean. The first shampoo, it was undiluted. It was just the LoxxCleanse that was in the bottle, and while I was in the shower, I decided to add some water to it. It wasn't that much and I added some water to this bottle. So now this bottle has the shampoo as well as the water. Now the reason why I decided to add the water to it was, of course, to see, because I don't know whether it's concentrated or not. All I know is I wanted to see if, you know, I can add that in there and see if it would still have the same effect on my hair once I added the water versus how it was before I added the water, to see if it would make more bubbles, more sudsiness or what have you, because it does sud. It does have its suds. It's not like a regular shampoo that would be like whoo bubbles everywhere. No, it's not like that, but it did have some sudsing power. Now as far as the instructions go and the ingredients, this is what the bottle says. Directions: wet hair with warm low water pressure, apply to hair in sections beginning from the base of the scalp to the ends. Gently massage into the hair and scalp. Be sure to follow any specific banding instruction from your natural hair professional. For best results, follow with Personal Effects LoxxCleanse. Ingredients: water, organic compounds, essential oils, and preservative. Basically the same thing that the LoxxCleanse spray says for ingredients. And with this, I like the way they say on here to follow the instructions of your natural hair professional, because they're not trying to tell you not to do with your loctician, your consultant, whatever you want to say. They're not trying to make you stray away from what they say. Now, as far as whether or not I will purchase this, because once again, I received this, and this video is not sponsored or anything like that. Let me just say that this video is not sponsored. I will link the shampoo in the description box. No, it's not an affiliate link. I'm not getting compensation for this. All I did was get the bottle of shampoo, and I wouldn't be mad or sad if she didn't send me some more. Hint, hint. No, I'm just joking. But anyway, technically I'm not. But anyway, will I purchase this? Yes, I will purchase this shampoo. I definitely like this shampoo. Now, this shampoo retails for $16 on the website. My loctician does not sell the shampoo, while she does sell the LoxxCleanse spray. Let me not say that. Wait. I I have never asked her if she sells the shampoo, so it's a possibility she does. I do know she sells the Sisterlocks shampoo. Whether or not she sells the Personal Effects shampoo, I don't know, but I do know she sells the Personal Effects Lock Set Spray, and of course I'm going to get some more of that from her. So in order for me to get this, I would have to order from the Personal Effects website. Now if you are in the market for another shampoo, I would definitely say to give this a try. As long as the price is not too much for you, I would say to give this shampoo a try. You will not be disappointed. This is in an 8-ounce bottle. They do have a 4-ounce bottle of this shampoo, and of course the 4-ounce bottle is $8. I would not recommend you buying that because there's no discount or difference on the shipping. So if you want to try it, try the 8-ounce bottle. So with that being said, I think that is it that I have for this. I can smell, now let me tell you about the smell, and I think I said it before. There is like a lemony scent to it, but I also kind of smell like maybe there's rosemary, or maybe my mind is just on rosemary, because I do put rosemary in my daughter's hair. Because with her hair I can put oils on it, because I did her beginner locks, so on her hair I do put oils. And I put a regular, actually I put extra virgin olive oil, and I add rosemary to it. So that's the oil that I put on her hair. So I could be thinking about that, because I do add the rosemary oil, as well as I use the Lock Set Spray on her hair. So I'm using the Lock Set Spray on my hair as well as hers. So with that being said, go ahead and give the Personal Effects LoxxCleanse a try if you are in the market for a shampoo. I can guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. At least I'm not disappointed in the least. And now I'm going to talk about the now I'm going to talk about the LoxxCleanse. Y'all, I'm an ice eater. I'm an anemic, and I'm an ice eater. I need help. And McDonald's has this crushed ice. You can't see it. Let's see. See, it's crushed ice. It's so good. I think McDonald's and Chick-fil-A has the best crushed ice. Wait, it's not about the ice. And yeah, so that is it. So thank you for coming to check out another one of my videos. So in the meantime and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.